Hello everyone! Today we're visiting a coffee shop on Istanbul's one of high streets to see empty displays products in real environment. This coffee shop is very small, but they boost it with empty displays compact and practical solutions. The first product we see is Street SignPro.Poster, which is used in this very busy traffic area. The poster is hidden inside the frame with hidden lock. Two wheels helps the product to put it away in the evening easily, and it is also foldable, so in a small shop it is easy to store. Let's see more products on the other way. They also preferred wood WinPro to suit coffee shops, wood and black decoration. As it is heavy and weatherproof, it is suitable to use outside. The surface is suitable for use with water-based chalk pen, and also it is magnetic. For the rainy season, the writing or text can be protected with full-size magnetic clear protection. Also, printed poster can be attached with magnets. Let's see more products inside the shop. Basic touchless dispenser stand offers hygiene facilities to the visitors. It has printed header on, has black finish to suit shop's design. Basic touchless is a perfect solution for a busy place like this because the pomp and the pedal is tested over 1 million times use, so it doesn't create any problem to the shop by malfunctioning. I can see Golf Maxi Frame with printed textile poster, black profiles embedded in the wall to reflect shop's minimalistic design. Service area is very small, so all leaflets are gathered together on a 5-size counter leaflet dispenser. Also, another dispenser for counter is fixed with adhesive tape on the service area. On the tables, they preferred wood clipboard. On one side, QR code is printed. On the other side, printed poster is clipped with clips. One of the favorite products of this coffee shop is Fast Note. They use it to pass the orders collected to the kitchen. Fast Note helps them to organize their busy environment as well as speeding up their service. Fast Notes can accept basic paper as well as printed coated posters. Very practical to use during the day. By the cashier, tip box is used. It is customized by empty displays dedicated for this coffee shop. It is made of clear acrylic. For desktop menu holder used to display coffee menu, it is made of beech wood and lacquered finished. It is resistant against food and drink spills. All wood we use for our production comes from Sustainable Forest Management certified PEFC. I hope this visit helps you to understand how our products used in small places like this. If you'd like to know more about these products, please click the links provided under this video. See you next time. Goodbye.